今天我们来学习不同的动物名称。Today we will learn about different animals.
Today we are going to see some animals.
Yay! Look at the tiger.
Yes, the tiger is beautiful.
I see an elephant.
I also see an elephant. The elephant is big.
Look at the lion.
Yes, I see the lion.
I see a snake.
I also see a snake. I do not like snakes.
Look at the zebra.
Yes, I see the zebra.
I see a panda.
I also see a panda. It is beautiful.
Look at the monkey.
I see a giraffe.
I also see a giraffe.
Look at the dolphin.
Yes, I see the dolphin. I like dolphins.
Hey, I see a crab.
I also see a crab.
Look at the big whale.
Yes, I see the whale. It is big.
I see a penguin.
I also see a penguin.
Look at the big shark.
I see a seal.
I also see a seal.
Look at the turtle.
Yes, I see the turtle.
I see a beautiful fish.
I also see a fish. Look at the small duck.
Yes, I see the duck.
I see a cat.
I also see a cat.
Look at the cow.
Yes, I see the cow.
I see a chicken.
I also see a chicken. I like chicken. Mmm.
Look at the dog.
Yes, I see the dog.
I see a goat.
Look at the big horse.
Yes, I see the horse.
I see a pig.
I do not like pigs.
Look at the small rabbit.
Yes, I see the rabbit.
I see a small rat.
I also see a rat. I do not like rats.
Look at the sheep.
Yes, I see the sheep.
I see a turkey.
I also see a turkey.
Look at the wolf.
Yes, I see the big wolf.
I see a fox.
I also see a fox.
Look at the spider.
Ew, I do not like spiders.
I see a fly.
Yes, I see the small fly.
Look at the bird.
Yes, I see the bird.
I see a small butterfly.
Look at the small ant.
Yes, the ant is small.
I see a bee. I do not like bees.
Look at the big dragon.
Yes, I see the big dragon.